Hi everybody, it's Alicia Duell again, and welcome to video number 3 in the 4-part All About Twitter video series. In this video we will be talking about hashtags, what they are, how they're created, and how you can use them to take your Twitter experience to another level. So first of all, hashtags simply are words or phrases that have like a pound sign or a hashtag here in the beginning. So we've got EdChat, 20 time, Run with Riley. He's used 3 hashtags here in one tweet. So my favorite way to think of hashtags are like channels. So if you're on a TV, you can turn a channel based on what you're interested in. So you can go to sports channels or Food Network channels or what have you. It's kind of the same thing on Twitter. So if you've got special interests, for example, I like an ed tech channel. I also like an infolit channel. And other things like that that meet my needs and my interests. So that is basically what hashtags do. They act as channels so that people can actually have discussions and get to talk to people who they don't already have in their network. So hashtags can be a great way to actually pull together people that otherwise probably would never have found each other in the Twitter sphere. So I've pulled up a couple of examples here. First of all, I did a search on EdTech. So this is one of the hashtags that I enjoy, that I follow. And so if I just start scrolling through, let me go back to my feed once actually. And so this is my unadulterated, unfiltered Twitter feed. If I just kind of scroll through, there's a lot of things about a lot of different topics. It's really just kind of a mishmash of, there's Macaulay Culkin, just about everything you can think of. So sometimes that can be overwhelming. Hashtags then allow you to filter that out. Here I've done a hashtag search for EdTech. Now if I scroll down in my Twitter feed, everything in here has been hashtagged or labeled EdTech. So this is kind of the EdTech channel. And that's why it's important for people to really think carefully about what they're using with hashtags, because you want to make sure that it's really relevant to what the hashtag is all about. So this is a great place where I have found a lot of new people to follow. If you notice somebody in a hashtag stream has got some great things to say or is sharing some really cool resources, you could click on them, take a look at their description, see if anybody else is following them, and then you could follow them if you choose to. So here's EdTech. I did one on English chat, so IngChat. If you scroll down through here, everything in here is English teachers talking about different things. This one I did Guide Chat, so it's guidance counselors. You scroll down, there's stuff about art therapy, stuff about AP, about college bound, things like that. And then I also did a search for First Chat, so it's first grade, teachers of first graders. And they're sharing resources and ideas, asking questions, and having discussions with each other. So hashtags for me are my favorite way of interacting with Twitter. You might be wondering, well, who can create hashtags? Anybody can create hashtags. So there's no guru up there who you have to apply to create a hashtag. It's really just kind of crowdsourced, sort of grassroots. So if you go to a conference, for example, they might say, all right, the hashtag for this conference is ETC 2014, which I think was the one that we used for EarCoast. So the organizers of that conference decided this will be our hashtag, and then they announced it. You have to let people know, and then people can start to use that. And so anybody can have a hashtag, and the more people you tell about it and the more people you encourage to use your hashtag, then kind of the bigger and deeper your discussions can be. So that's basically hashtags in a nutshell. I've shared on the 11 Things on a Jeepney blog a couple of great articles. So this one is Complete Guide to Twitter Hashtags for Education, and they have a good explanation here. And then they have a huge amount of technology or education related hashtags that you can explore, and that's on the blog. And then I also have a link to Cybraryman. He also has a ton of education related hashtags, so have fun exploring hashtags. I really think this is how you can dive into Twitter and make it make sense, so it's not just a stream of everything in the kitchen sink. So thanks for watching. See you next time.